Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cloud with Vivek, and you are watching day 5 of our DevOps English series. So in this video we are going to learn a very simple but powerful Linux command, the touch command. So if you are a DevOps enthusiast or just starting your Linux journey, so this command will helpful for you. So guys, basically the touch command is used to create empty file. What? The touch command is used to create empty file, but it has other duty also. If there is already existing any file with same name which you are using to create, so it will update timestamp of that existing file. So many times interviewer is asking that what is the uses of touch command in production. So guys, the touch command has two duty. First one is it will create empty file if there is no such file or any file with same name. But if there is already existing any file with same name, so it will update access and modification time, which is called timestamp of the file. So let's come and we will do practical. So guys, this is the terminal which is freely available in your internet. You can use daily 1 hour for practice purpose. So I logged in here as a root user, because if you are doing practice from normal user, so maybe you can face permission deny error. So that's why I said that in starting days you should use as a root user for practice. So guys, basically you can see here only Cloud with Vivek file is available, except that there is no file. So you want to create any empty file with the help of touch command. So you will write first of all command, after that file name if you are creating in current location. If you want to create in other location, then file name with path. So first of all I will create in current path. So you can see guys, this is the my file name vivek.txt, and I will press enter. So you can see that empty file created vivek.txt. After that, if you want to create in any other location like inside slash, you can see that in this slash, what is slash I have explained already in my Linux file system hierarchy. So guys, this slash is a root partition or root directory. So here is no file with the name of Python or Java. So I want to create touch slash java txt. So you can see that one file will be created inside my this slash location. So if you want to create in current location, so simply you will write touch command after that file name. But if you want to create in any other location, then you have to give with proper path. So guys, this was the only simple way. After that, if I will write here ls-a command, so you will see there will be many hidden files and folders. So just 1 second, my terminal freezed. ls-a. So you can see that these are the what hidden files. Hidden files means this file will be not accessible without dot or hyphen a option in ls command. You can see that if I am using only ls command, so it will not list these hidden files which have dot in starting of file name. So I want to create same also file. So first of all I will write touch, after that like hp. So you can see that ls-a. So you can see here, this is the dot file hidden file. But if you will write only ls-a, so it will not, sorry, ls only you will write, it will not visible. So I hope clear will be for you. Same thing guys, many times you have seen that touch, and I want to create a file name, that is what demo file. This is the what my file name. So if you want to create any file with one name, but name should be space in middle of these names, so what you will do, you have to use double quotation. So it will create a file, single file, you can see. But if you will not use double quotation, it will make two file, you can see. You can see demo will be different file and file will be different file and demo2, but I want to create only one file, so that's why I use double quotation. I hope it will be clear for you. Second option also we have. First of all, I am writing here touch command. After that, I write here moto phone or moto mobile. So you can use backslash. What you can use? Backslash. So you will see here moto phone will be also one file. So this thing also same you can do when we will create directory with the help of mkdir command. So guys, this was the option. After that, if you want to create more than 100 files at a time, so what you will do? So here is touch command. After that, name of file, so like abc one dot dot, only two dot, not more than two, not less than two. So I written here one dot dot 100. So you can see that here will be 100 files, a1 abc1 abc2 abc3, such type of files available. Same thing guys, if you want to update access and modification time, so just I will remove all files. After that you will see here. So guys, what I did, I created a file touch and Vivek. Okay, so it will create Vivek file. You can see Vivek file available. I want to see timestamp, means access and modification time. So what you will do, state and after that name of file. So state command will show the access and modification time. So guys, you can see access and modification time is what, 12:41:36 second, right? I want to update access and modification time. What you will do, touch and Vivek. Again, it will not give error. It will update only access and modification time. See, again you will see status, or you can see it was 41, now it is 42. Why? Because guys, it is taking time from your system, so that's why it is updating access and modification time when you are using touch command for existing file. So I hope this will be clear for you. But many people are saying that sir, we want only update access time or only modification time, so how we can do? So see, first, what is the access time? 12:42. What is modification time? 12:42. But I want to update only access time. So what is the current time system? 12:42:46, right? So wait 1 second, it will be 43. After that I will update. Okay, right? So first see the time. See, you can see here 12:42. 43, right? Now what I did, I will use touch hyphen a for access time only and name of file. So file name is Vivek. Now you can see status of file or state command. So you can see only access time updated, not modification time. So this option you can use. Same thing guys, if you want to use hyphen m option, so it will update only modification time. Like see, touch hyphen m or file name. So file name is what? Vivek. So now you can see state command. So you can see only on modification time updated, not access time. So this was the option hyphen a for access time, m for modification time. But to friend, it is taking time from your system. What it is doing? It is taking time from your system. But we want to give our time according to us, like 2024. How you can give? So first of all, we will use touch command. After that hyphen t for time. So time, I am giving 2024. Which month? Fifth month. Which date? I said 12. After that time, I said 11, and after that 35. Okay, and for which file? Vivek. Now you can see guys, it will be according to you. You can see access and modification time what? 2024. So this is the way also possible you can do. Now one thing, you can see we have Vivek file, and what is the access and modification time for Vivek? This one. So guys, what I said, if Vivek file available, so what it will do, it will update access and modification time. But if Vivek file not available, it will create new, right? Like I said, touch and demo. So demo file not available here. So what it will do, it will create new file, right? You can see definitely it will create. Why? Because it has only two duty. If file exists, update the time stamp of that file. But if file not exist, create the empty file. Right? So I said if file exists, what it is doing? If file is existing, so update timestamp of that file. But if not existing, don't create empty file. So what option we will use? Hyphen no create option we can use. See, touch, after that hyphen no create. What? Touch hyphen no create, and which file name? I said info.txt. Which file? Info.txt. So friends, it will not create. Why? If existing, it will update access and modification time. If not existing, it will not create. You can see that not created. Why? Because you have used hyphen no create option. Many times people are using hyphen c option only, so it will not create also. Hyphen c, you can see it will not create. Why? Because you have used option hyphen c, which means if file exists, update the timestamp of file. If not exist, don't create. But you said if existing, update the time if stamp. If not existing, create. So then you don't have to use hyphen c option, right? So it will create. Now you can see. So guys, I hope it will be clear for everyone. So guys, this was the what touch command for production environment. It is log management command. If you want to manage your logs of your production or such time, like any important files are there, you want to keep save them file. So you have to protect them from deleting. Why? Because we are using automation to delete files automatically. So if you will update access and modification time, it will be renew. It will be like new file. So I hope you will learn lots of things from my videos, and like, share, subscribe my videos with your friends and LinkedIn family. It will motivate me. So thank you to all of you. Have a good day.